I would have a warm welcome to all the retail partners around the country. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. Before starting the session, I would like to invite our Managing Director, Mr. K. Nirmal Kumar, for giving a short address to you, and then we'll continue through our presentation. Welcome, sir.
Wish you all a very, very happy, successful, and prosperous new year. I mean, it's a very, very happy moment for me to connect with you all in the first working day of the year. I mean, just to take a quick snapshot about 2025, when it has been a very, very successful year for your brand, Pariwear. So, in the beginning of the year, we embarked on four important growth pillars. One, I think we wanted to improve the premium imagery of Pariwear brand. Number one. Number two, to bring in more product focus. Number three, we wanted to work on demand generation activities. And number four, to improve the display space where the Pariwear brand is being displayed. So I think all these initiatives have given us a very fantastic results. All your support, all your continued trust. I'm happy to announce that Pariwear brand is the highest growth registered in the Indian bathroom products category. So I think that's all the credit goes to you all. I mean, your continued success, your continued trust has helped us to reach this fantastic achievement in year 2025. And I'm sure 2026 is going to continue in the similar manner. I'm sure we are going to be consistent. We are going to develop our efforts in this growth pillars, and with all your continued support, as again, I'm sure we will make the Pariwear brand successful growth story in the year 2026. And another important news to share, very few brands in this country has been able to be in the minds of the consumer, be one of the preferable brand in a category. And Pariwear has been in this regime for last 74 years. So 2027 is going to be the 75th year of Pariwear. And I'm sure 2026, a great, and then to move forward to the 75th year of Pariwear in a great way. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think that's been a very crisp and great input for Pariwear brand. Just before going into the presentation, as informed by our Managing Director, we are one of the fastest growing company, and this is because of all your supports. We measure sales into two categories. एक जो हम primary देखते हैं और एक हम secondary देखते हैं. So secondary we have gone double digit, translating to our primary growth is also has come out into double digit growth in 2025. So 26 we look forward a great success, and I think as our Managing Director preferred, 2027 हमारा 75th ईयर है. इसके लिए हम बहुत सारे मेहनत करने वाले हैं, उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट भी करने वाले हैं. So stay with us and you will see a massive growth with the help of both brand and the retailers and the dealers. Going into Utsav is one of our successful loyalty program. Has been entering into 10th season. कोई भी लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम इतने साल के लिए करना इतना आसान नहीं है, एंड ये सब कैसे हुआ? आपके हेल्प और आपके पैशन, आपने जो हमें सपोर्ट दिया है उसके हिसाब से हम 9 साल अभी कंप्लीट करके वी आर एंटरिंग इनटू द 10th सीजन नाउ. So this has been a grand success. So thank you for making this loyalty program one of the robust program across the industry, where सभी लोग उत्सव कैसे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं करके सीखना शुरू कर रहे हैं, देखना शुरू कर रहे हैं. So that means उत्सव has become a very robust program. So thank you for us. उत्सव के लिए हमने एक टैगलाइन बनाया है which is called U stands for understanding the partner needs. मतलब आपको क्या चाहिए, what is your needs has been understood and been derived very carefully. Second is the most important pillar called trust and transparency. So T stands for trust and transparency. S for success sharing, मतलब success is not for one side. मतलब हमारे तरफ success होता है तो आपकी तरफ भी success होता है. So मतलब success sharing becomes togetherness. So that is S. A for achievement. मतलब आप जितना अचीवमेंट कर रहे हैं उतना रिकॉग्निशन भी मिलता जाता है. वी फॉर वैल्यू क्रिएशन, we don't stop with doing any modification. So every season, if you see, there has been an upgrade every year. Season 1 से शुरू लेके अभी season 10 में है. एक एक साल हमने बहुत अपग्रेड किया है, so that आपका लाइफ बहुत इजी बन जाता है. So as I said, we started in 2017. 2017 में जो हमने स्टार्ट किया था, people were saying, how do we upload an invoice into a loyalty program? कैसे फोन लेना है, कैसे फोटो लेना है? Lot of questions were there. I think with all your support and passion, we started logging lot of invoices inside. And आज we have 44,000 retailers into our database जो हमारे साथ उत्सव में जुड़े हुए हैं, which is a very massive crowd. For example, इंडिया में कितने लोग रहते हैं? 1 लाख आउटलेट होता है, उसमें आधे आउटलेट परिवार के साथ है. So this it's a massive success, and we have 5,600 crores values uploaded in उत्सव so far. So इसमें से मेरे को क्या मिलता है? That is one question which I want to explain it here. Almost 200 crores has been earned in उत्सव now, which means ये आपकी बैंक अकाउंट की तरह भी ऑपरेट करता है. उसमें से 150 crores has been redeemed and the gifts have reached to your house or to your outlets in terms of gold, in terms of silver, in terms of mobiles, in terms of automobiles. जो कुछ बिजनेस के लिए चाहिए वो भी हमने दिया है, जो कुछ घर के लिए चाहिए वो भी हमने दिया है. So that is one thing which we have assured and we have delivered. ये सब आप देख सकते हैं. These are some redemptions which has been already made in all these years, and 2025 was also one of a great year where we saw lot of gold redemptions happening. वहाँ पे नहीं रुके, हमने कार दिया था, हमने मोबाइल्स और मोटर बाइक्स भी दिया है. These are some glimpses which I'm sharing it here in terms of retailers happily enjoying with their family. Apart from the redemptions, we also have opened lot of new showrooms. हम डीलर के शोरूम के हिसाब से रुकते नहीं हैं. We have looked into retailer showroom also. For example, in 2025, we have opened 100 new showrooms for retailers, either big renovation or a new showroom. हमने 100 शोरूम ओपन किया है. इससे फायदा क्या है? आपके लिए कंज्यूमर ज़्यादा आते हैं और हमारे लिए हमारा ब्रांड अच्छा बिकता है. So that is one thing. And जैसे MD सर ने बताया था, Eternal, our premium collection is our major focus, and we have started investing Eternal display units for the dealers in 2025. हम अभी retailers को भी Eternal display देना शुरू करेंगे. So this is one commitment from our side in 2026. These are some good showrooms which we have opened. These are some retailer showrooms across the country you are seeing. Very good showrooms. In terms of theme, we have maintained one common theme all over India now. It is not that पहले हमारा ब्लू था, अभी हम ब्लू से लेके थोड़ा ग्रे तक लेके आए हैं. These are some retailer showrooms which we have opened. Apart from the showrooms, we also are going to maintain the clubs. You all know that हमारा 3 क्लब है. एक है प्लैटिनम, एक है गोल्ड और एक सिल्वर. इसमें अभी 2026 में हम बेनिफिट्स बहुत ऐड करने के लिए हमारे पास प्लान्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो हम आपको अभी बताएंगे, हमारी टीम आपको आके बताएंगे कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है उसके ऊपर. और बहुत सारे फॉरेन ट्रिप स्कीम्स हमने लॉन्च किया है. 2025 में ऑलमोस्ट हमने 12 या 13 ट्रिप्स किए हैं, और जहाँ पे अभी ट्रिप नहीं कर पाए थे हमने पैसे वापस किए हैं. सो विच मीन्स वी वुड लव to take you to your dream destinations in 2026 also. For example, one of the group is going day after tomorrow to Dubai, around 50 people from Kolkata. So that is one great news. Apart from this Utsav and other initiatives, digital initiative is one of the important thing for the company, and you've been seeing this Utsav is registering a lot of digital initiatives in the past 4-5 years, and this year we are going to take a big leap in digital initiatives. तो हमारे पास एक कैटलॉग वर्जन आ रहा है जो आप प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. What are the major benefits? Team will come and explain to you. You can select any product and you can share it to your builder or contractor or consumer. They can immediately download and start placing orders online itself to you. So that's a very massive thing which we have developed as a digital initiative for 2026. So these things, I think our team will come and explain it to you. With this, say a happy new year once again, and thank you all.